Hey guys, OneManOneCamera. Today's November 12th, about 2 p.m. Maybe 64 degrees Fahrenheit. I wanted to come out and take a look at the testing of the Resorts World screen contained on the Western Tower. Now, I was out there yesterday, actually. I'll put an insert in there, but I only zoomed in on the screen, so you could not get a reference to exactly how big it is. Okay, so it came out again today. Because for my audience, I will do almost anything. Anyway, and so it's just a repeat of, the screen's on a repeat sort of thing, but it's interesting to look at. It does look nice. And this is daytime, so I imagine at night, this thing, masked down, this thing's is gonna look really, really good. Really good. Now it is a Thursday, and so I believe more people are coming to town to spend the weekend in Las Vegas. I'm not surprised. It's mostly California folks currently supporting these things. Now, the other news is that the Governor Sisolak had a conference a few days ago, 2 days ago, whatever, saying how Vegas and I guess overall Nevada, it is increasing the cases. And so he said, all right, you guys, you got 2 weeks. Let's try to bring it down. He wants everyone wearing a mask and sort of not going out as much to try to, as they always say, flatten the curve or bring things down. So, we'll see what happens, you guys. But for now, I'm gonna do my little videos. Keep the mask on and all that good stuff anyway, okay? Anyway, so the screen does look nice, yeah? Now, I really should count, maybe I will, how many floors this screen covers, because it is quite a bit. I think maybe about 25 floors it covers. Straight down. Across, I'm too lazy. All right. But the screen does look nice. And this is going to be a pretty short video. Because I'm hungry. And it's just going to repeat. Now, also, those of you looking for a job, pardon me. Also, those of you looking for work, it appears that Resorts World will start hiring for next year, or conducting interviews starting on November 16th. Is that Monday? I guess it's Monday, I don't know. And you see a little sign that says, I dream big. Oh, you can apply from 11/16. Okay, all right. Apply from then. So, but I don't know how it's going to work, because there are a lot of workers right now at the casinos who are, out of work. So I would presume they would get first crack or first priority at the jobs because they have experience. For the inexperienced people, I don't know. If you do apply and you get a job, do let us know, because I'm curious, how did it go and so on and so on. Don't tell us your pay, nothing like that, but just tell us, they seem friendly and cool and all that good stuff. Well, I guess if you got the job, you got to say so, right? You can't disparage them what you're working with anyway, so hey, anyway. There's our astronaut. Zoom in on that. I am zoomed in. There's our astronaut with little things floating around. But like I said, the screen does look nice, but at nighttime it's probably a whole lot better, because the daylight hours will kind of wash out things. But it does look pretty good. I'll give it one more cycle around and then I'll get out of here. So next time this astronaut, cosmonaut pops up, we will hit the road. But now I'm debating on where I want to eat today. Resorts World, Las Vegas. And I wonder if they can find my, because I have a Resorts World gaming card I got in Singapore. I wonder if they can find my my name on the list and then give me a new one here. Oh well, we'll see what happens. Oh, as far as jobs go, I am not sure where they'll be listed at. However, I do know there were some jobs, manager style jobs, were listed on LinkedIn recently, so perhaps they'll go through LinkedIn. A journey almost 30 years in the making. It was all about the music and dance and the friendship, pleasure. That's Zuke. Now what is this? A red tail. Oh, okay. Now these are the clubs under Resorts World. For example, Zuke is like gigantic in certain areas of Asia. Yeah, it's like really big. I looked it up earlier, and so as far as next year goes, who knows how things are going to be, right? But yeah, Zuke, Z-O-U-K, or Z-O-U-K. So we'll see. Zuke is Las Vegas in, say, 2021. So you bouncers need a job, hey, because you know it's going to be wild. We're just getting started. Zuke Group, yeah. I think it's by the son of some big shot. I think that's how it went. Because I dream big. Kind of sad that crane is in the way, so, where is my cosmonaut? Or astronaut? You know, I think I probably end up fast forwarding or speeding up some of the part of the content, because let's be honest, just staring at it is not very exciting. You see, then I want to dream big, or I dream big, whatever. Dream big. I dream big. Resorts World. There we are. All right, you guys. That was the whole cycle of items. And of course, a bus rides by to close it off. All right, you guys, your pal, one man, one camera. If you see me outside, say hello. I'll say hello back. Take care. Have a great day. Say goodbye to our astronaut.